Introducing ARDEX CD Concrete Dressing. Bring old concrete back to life.
Seems no matter where you go, you'll find surface-damaged concrete. Sidewalks, garage floors, patios, walls, and stairs all can become spalled, cracked, or chipped due to tough winters, improper maintenance, or poor installation. Until now, there were few choices to repair surface-damaged concrete. Total replacement, which can be expensive and sometimes more than needed. Using patching products that never match the finish or the color of the old surface. Or using commercial-grade resurfacing products that may not be technically formulated to stand up to a variety of conditions and environments. But now there's a real solution to resurfacing old concrete. ARDEX CD Concrete Dressing. ARDEX CD Concrete Dressing is formulated for the contractor or maintenance professional that needs a concrete resurfacing product that's durable, versatile, and cost-effective.
ARDEX CD is made with Portland cement and select high-performance polymers, formulated to provide a durable new wear surface on concrete sidewalks, driveways, patios, garage floors, pool decks, and most vertical surfaces such as poured foundations and masonry block walls. ARDEX CD is available in two formulas. CD Regular is formulated to provide a textured finish suitable for many exterior applications. CD Regular can be installed as thin as 1/16 of an inch and resurfaces up to 3 square feet per pound. And ARDEX CD Fine, which is made with a finer aggregate for a smoother finish. CD Fine can be flat troweled to 1/32 of an inch, covering up to 6 square feet per pound. ARDEX CD can be used both indoors and outdoors, and is Portland cement based for durability, providing a 28-day compressive strength of 4,000 psi and a flexural strength of 1,000 psi. ARDEX CD is a one-component system that mixes with water only. No expensive additives or surface primers are needed. Surface prep is fast and easy, typically requiring only pressure washing with plain water. Acid etching and solvents are not recommended as a means of surface preparation with ARDEX CD. ARDEX CD can also be used to patch spalls and gouges up to 1/2 inch deep prior to resurfacing. Patches dry in just 30 to 45 minutes. Once installed, the new surface can accept foot traffic in 2 hours and can be driven on in 6 to 8 hours. ARDEX CD requires no special curing, and ARDEX CD's fast track formulation allows for sealing as soon as the surface is hard enough to walk on. ARDEX CD can be tinted with integral color or accept topically applied stains and paints that are formulated for use with concrete. Before installing ARDEX CD, the surface must be structurally sound, completely dry, and at a surface temperature of at least 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Sweep the entire surface thoroughly to remove all loose dirt, including debris from the expansion joints. Sealers, curing compounds, old patches, dust, dirt, oil, and other contaminants may act as bond breakers and must be mechanically removed by pressure washing, scarifying, shot blasting, or grinding. Stubborn oil stains should be removed mechanically if deeply embedded. Never use chemicals, solvents, or acid etching as a means of surface prep. To repair gouges or pop-outs less than 1/2 inch deep, prepare a mix at a ratio of 4 parts ARDEX to 1 part water by volume. Fill the areas to surface level and allow the repaired areas to harden for 30 to 45 minutes before installing the resurfacing layer. Smoothing repairs with a masonry stone will help to ensure a better finish when the resurfacing layer is applied. Hairline cracks can be covered with the resurfacing coat. However, cracks larger than 1/32 of an inch should be V'd out and filled with an exterior grade acrylic caulk, formulated for repairing cracks in concrete. Mask off all expansion joints with duct tape to prevent the mix from filling the joints. ARDEX CD is meant to be installed on a dry surface. Never pre-wet the surface or use primers with ARDEX CD. To test for dryness after pressure washing or rain, place a rubber mat or piece of plastic on the surface for 1 hour. If the mat leaves a dark spot when removed, further drying time is needed before installation begins. Test several areas until no surface darkening occurs. Mix each bag of ARDEX CD with clean, cold water using an electric drill and mixing paddle. Use exactly 2.5 quarts of water for each 20-pound bag, or 5 quarts for each 40-pound bag. Pour the water into the mixing bucket first. Add the powder and mix thoroughly for 2 to 3 minutes, or until a lump-free consistency is achieved. Never overwater ARDEX CD, as it will weaken the application. Scratch ARDEX CD into the surface with a flat trowel, applying enough pressure to ensure good dressing to concrete contact. If desired, a broom finish can be applied to the new surface. Do this immediately after spreading the mix. Maintain a wet edge by slightly overlapping work areas to help minimize natural color variations that can occur between sections as you work. To apply with a squeegee, follow the same mixing directions and spread evenly to a smooth finish. While control joints must also be honored, they may be resurfaced. A paintbrush is an excellent tool for this purpose. ARDEX CD can also be applied with a hopper gun for installation on walls, steps, or horizontal surfaces. Apply a scratch coat to even out surface imperfections, followed by application with the hopper gun. The final application can be left alone or knocked down with a finishing trowel. As with any cementitious material, installing ARDEX CD on hot days will affect working time, causing the material to set faster. Using ice water for mixing will help to prolong working time. Better still, work in the morning before the existing surface gets too warm. If the mix begins to set in the bucket, simply remix with a trowel or your drill and paddle. Do not add more water. Additional water will weaken ARDEX CD. Regardless of the application technique, the new surface can take light foot traffic in as little as 2 hours, or driven on in 6 to 8 hours. Unlike new concrete, which is sometimes covered during the initial set, never cover ARDEX CD. ARDEX CD requires no special curing techniques. Just install and let dry naturally. As recommended for all concrete, sealing will help preserve that new concrete look and protect the new surface from unexpected exposure to water before its initial set. With ARDEX CD, a waterborne breathable acrylic sealer can be applied as soon as the new surface is hard enough to walk on. So there you have it, the fast, cost-effective solution to repairing surface-damaged concrete. ARDEX CD. Bring old concrete back to life.